Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. My name is Bruce Schwartz. Thanks for the contributions, subscribing, the comments, for taking the time to check out the research. Ken Nicoletti sent this in. Now Ken, I don't know about this one. What was it, far out? Because it is flashing. It's not going very fast. Um, I don't know if did you get it far out? Here, I'll take the exposure down from the original video and we can see it. There is a red light. It reminds me of a plane, but I'm going to have to ask Ken how far he got this out because I'm not sure about that one, Ken. It's the flashing light that's getting to me because usually they don't flash like that. I mean, the planes usually flash. This ain't no plane. Ken Nicoletti sent this one in, original footage of another light dancing in the sky, but this one's got a problem. It's really sporadically jumping up and down. We'll see it later, right after this, the complete video. Thanks again, Ken, for sending it in. We're going to see it with the exposure taken down because I really want to see the color of it again. These things look like stars, right? That's what they look like. And some of them, I mean, geez, it looks like it's alive, eh? Whoa, I mean, the light's bouncing. It's jumping. At one point, it was jumping like erratically in different angles. Then we'll lose it out in the light pollution. One more, a quickie, guys, because these are really cool. Ken Nicoletti sent these in. Ken's from Ireland. He recently went on vacation to Italy, and he sent in some amazing footage. Now check this out, a square object. Now Ken, this one really intrigues me. Let's take a look at this one a couple of times. The original video is just amazing, and let's try to descend the exposure to see what we can see. But first I'm going to tell you exactly what Ken told me. There are 3 objects moving here. The other 2 on the left are also objects moving. Another smaller square, another light underneath that, but this square now is moving. It's just pretty incredible. Let's see it again, the original video, without changing anything again. This is pretty cool. Seeing it, it's intriguing me. Like a square, right? But then the other lights are underneath. And, you know, right away, especially when a plane goes by, usually it blinks, it flashes red and green, one after the other, I think, like a strobe. But, you know right away that these are not planes if they're not flashing, because the camera picks it up so quickly, especially in night vision. Now, I just took the exposure down, and I'll take it down as it progresses because that light, of course, the light pollution always wants to reappear. Of course, we're on the surface, eh? We're surrounded by lights, and this darn pollution, I have the same here at my house. There it is. I descended it a little bit. So look, we have 3 objects there. There's not just one object, and I don't know, but the fact that it's square is interesting me because I've seen, like just the other day, the dark shadow over the moon that was square. Too many fine details not being noticed. A bridge. These are built. You're not going to tell me that it forms over top, floating in the air. Look at here, the symmetrical structures. Actually, sorry, this one is also bridge. Over top, there's 2 or 3 of them there. We're not seeing them because they have the same reflectivity as the surface. Now watch this. The objects that we're seeing on the surface are not craters. You're not going to tell me 4 craters. This is the crater we're going to be talking about right now. To the left of it, right there. What are those 4 objects side by side on the edge of a crater? You're going to tell me 4 craters landed side by side? Guys, let's use some common sense here. Just using common sense, not even any scientific information, the proof is right in front of us. Just a smooth scan over the surface of some nice recent August footage that I haven't shown yet. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll put up some music and a lot more to come this week. Many new findings. Thanks, everyone. These are virtual setups. They are constructed objects that were built by someone up there. And it does look industrialized. It could look like mining areas. It could look like also just regular buildings on the moon.